Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, going to go over some technical analysis on the S&P 500 and a couple of other stocks that we follow on the channel, including Tesla, Amazon, and Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. So the S&P 500, as you see here, was kind of hovering around and then just fell off of a cliff. It seems to be that we're finding support at this current level, and we are undervalued, which typically means that we're going to settle and at least temporarily have a little spike in price. So 42.8520 is currently your support level. If we go below that, you're looking at 41.85 potentially of where this thing can go. So something to note is the Golden Cross breakout indicator has gone, which is why this thing is pulled down. As you see here, typically when this Golden Cross breakout is red, it signals that we're about to have some major, or at least temporary, pretty decent move to the downside. That's exactly what happened here. So once we settle and we start making our way back up, we could see it reverse and come back and retest all-time highs. However, we don't know if that's going to be the case here, or it's going to keep on going down. So 42.8520 is your overall level of support that you're looking for. I do think overall we do see some type of little spike in price from the S&P 500. 44.0822 is going to be your first level of resistance, is what you want to keep an eye on if we do see some type of move to the upside. Next up, guys, is going to be Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. And you see here, it's going to look, every stock that we're going to look at is going to look similar to the S&P 500, as in a sense of, we're trucking along and then we pull down and we're finding some support here. So currently we're pretty much right at support. Actually, I mean, to redraw this, it looks like we went through the fib level here. So 81.43 was our low. Let me just redraw that there. And then 146.22 is currently our high. And we actually broke below that support level of 130.93. So unless we can pop our head back above about 131, we could see 121.47, which is your first level of support. I'm actually waiting. I've been waiting on Amazon to get back into the low 120s, and I could get an opportunity here sometime this week if in fact it doesn't pop its head and hold at the 131 level, which is a good possibility. However, we are pretty undervalued here. So again, you can expect some type of temporary spike in price, but my next level to buy at, if it goes down to 125 or below, I'm coming in and definitely adding some more. Other than that, I'm just going to keep holding what I have because I am in the green. So next up is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, and this thing is extremely volatile, and it broke below the support of 252, currently undervalued, and your next level of support here is 223.62. So that's where I would be looking to add here. So if it comes down into the 220s, then I'm a buyer of Tesla, no doubt, to add to my position. If it pops its head above about 252 and some change, and it holds and it starts moving back up, then I'm just going to hold. However, if it does get to the 220s, that's where I'm coming in to add some more to my longer term position. And Amazon, if it gets back into the 120s, I'll be taking out that longer term option again that I've done several times to look to make some extra money on that. Next up, guys, is Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. You have a low of 5 cents, a high of 15. We're setting up here for an interesting setup for Zion Oil and Gas. If they can get any type of momentum and volume, I think that we can see a move from its current setup. However, it's just kind of speculation at this point, just based on the overall chart pattern here. But we need to get above 7 cents in order to confirm that we're going to move a little bit higher. So if we can poke our head above 7 cents and kind of hold there, we should possibly go retest 8 cents, maybe more. If not, it looks like we're going to come back down and settle back at 5 cents, because that's your overall support there. They did get their license renewed. However, that's about all that's happened for it here. They announced it in the middle of a major holiday, and it looks like everything's going to be kind of pushed back and we're going to probably not hear anything until Q4, maybe end of Q4 or something like that. So it's again, it's a waiting game of, let us know, kind of sitting around letting us know, waiting for us to hear when they're going to start the operations of the MJ1. However, it is some good news that they did get their license approved. So we'll just kind of have to kind of wait it out and see to go from there. So for this one here, the only way I'm a buyer now is if it does come back down to 5 cents. I do think that's bullish that they did announce that they got their license. However, I think like right now, although it is, fairly low in price, I think that I'm gonna hopefully, if I do want to buy more, that's the only reason I'd be happy going down to 5 cents is I can get more. I wouldn't mind it to continue to start moving up and up and up and up and get somewhere back above here. That would be beneficial too. But anyway, keep an eye on it. And for those of you who are new to it, I would definitely just kind of watch it for now. Watch it this week and see how it reacts. On Monday, typically we're going to be green. By Friday, if there's no news, we get like some type of pullback. So typically on Fridays is when I would go buy Zion oil and gas if you're going to buy any, because that's whenever it's going to have a little sell-off. Even on a green week, typically on Fridays you're going to have a chance to buy back in. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you in this one. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.